Hi, it's Dawn. I did this a couple months ago. I'm pretty sure I posted a video on it, but if not, I have several others. It's a negative space painting, and I was just messing with these two for some family members who'd seen this purpley pinky one and requested a green and a brown one, and so I just was finishing them up, and I've been working at my dining room table, but I thought I'd come in here and record the tape pull. Of course, now I've glued it and taped it to this accidentally. But I know a lot of people really enjoy the nope, not that one. Really enjoy watching the tape being pulled. Oh, I did the sides last. That's what it was. And you know, here's the magic moment where we find out. Oh, the tape kind of bled there a little bit. Oh well. But here's where we find out if the tape did its job. Oops, blood there a little bit too. There we go. I've got a white paint pen that I can fix that with. And let's pull this side next. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Oh, a little beauty there. I had let it sit overnight, so I probably should have burnished my tape again this morning before I started doing my last couple layers, but it's okay. Tape pull. Oop, I think I'm tearing paper there. All right, I'll get my dryer out for that. Oh yeah, really bled there, but that's okay. I'll fix it. There. And then this one. Okay. We're gonna try it from this angle, and then if this angle's still pulling, then I'm just gonna get out my my little heat gun, because the heat will release the adhesive and keep it from tearing. But hopefully I can get it. Yeah, see, that's gonna work fine. Okay, here we go. So we have a brown one, very farmhouse, and then shout out to my girl Hannah, who asked me to do a green one. So there you go. Anyway, just thought I would pop on and show you a little quick tape pull. See you again soon. Bye.